Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate HubSpot portal connections with secure token access step by step clearly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard. Click on your account name in the top right corner. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the Integrations panel, click on API Key. If you do not see an API key listed, click on Generate API Key. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Next, open your preferred code editor or development environment. Create a new file for your project. In the file, import the necessary libraries for making HTTP requests. Set up your variables, including the HubSpot API endpoint and your API key. Use the API key in the header for authentication. Construct the API request using a secure connection method, such as HTTPS. If applicable, specify the endpoint for the resource you are accessing. Send the request to the HubSpot API. Wait for the response and check for any errors. If the connection is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. If you encounter any issues, verify your API key and endpoint configuration. You can also check HubSpot's API documentation for further troubleshooting. Once authenticated, proceed with your intended actions within the HubSpot portal. Remember to securely store your API key and avoid sharing it. Test the connection regularly to ensure your integration remains functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.